nieces and nephews, it's your boy Young Stunts here at another lot day. We out here grinding on the Grom. We got the MT as well. We got all the boys outside. You're all about to meet somebody very, very near and dear to my heart. You can see him in the frame now. It's Mr. Dan Wheelies. It's been a long time since I've seen my boy. We're talking a few months up to this point. Oh, there's Dan. It's Dan Wheelies. Halt!
What's up, Mr. Hunk?
It's Mr. Dan Wheelies. Put that down so I don't have to blur your face out. That's the pimp.
I was talking about you.
I was talking about you. I was telling people listen to my very special friend. I'm gonna do a follow around. Let's see what you got. God, he's been out the game for a few months. We've been missing this boy. There he goes. That's the kid. Today we're going to be working on some sit down to staggered to double back pegger stuff on the Grom is one of my main goals for today. There's the staggered. I'm having trouble keeping this thing up at the start for that initial transition. There it was. Oh, we did it. That was it. That was it. I think instead of sitting there chilling at staggered, we need to go quick steps. That felt good. Yeah, we learned it already. That was a quick learn. That was a quick learn today. Uh-oh, he's calling me. My master's calling me.
Video tax.
Huh?
Video tax.
Me?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
You want your phone or my phone?
Yours is fine. Got it. You gotta get one of these down. Yeah. I really think the next step is scraping double back pegger, but last time I scraped double back pegger was on accident and I looped my shit twin. I love that kid. I said I'm getting that sit down to double back pegger pretty good.
Yeah, just go like this.
Yeah. I was initially trying to start like going from sit down to staggered, and then I was just losing momentum, so it's like a quick step now. I just go boop boop. Oh, that MT, that shit nasty. He scared me with that whistle. my grief. Oh, scared me there. So much talent here today. Everybody came out today for the Welcome Back Dan Wheelies. Alright, we're gonna drag this scrape out pretty good here. Try it at least. Yeah, that my friend JT. He's pretty cool. Pretty nasty too. Yeah, he got a lot of skills, I'd say, probably. We're probably just gonna go to the trails here for a minute. You'll see what I'm talking about in this episode. Well, if I'm supposed to do it, I guess. Is that a cop?
Yeah, I don't know about that.
The hill? Come on! Yeah! That's them dirtbag boys! Yeah. I haven't made it up that since I took the dirts off. Dan got stuck. Look at Dan. I don't really want to go down this. Yeah. Oh man. I don't know how to do that. Ashton went sideways there. Yeah. Hey.
Why'd you get on your big bike?
Cause I'm having fun on the little bike. I suck on the big bike. I'm having fun. I'm learning sit downs. I'm trying to learn handbrake stuff so I can transfer it over. So I'm learning like from sitting to whatever.
Relatable.
Yeah. You look good. I missed you. It's been a while.
puppy?
Did you see my spreader?
Nah.
It's terrible. All right, nieces and nephews. We're gonna try handbrake shit for the first time on a big bike. I'm scared. This is terrifying. I think we can do it pretty easy. We're sending it. Plug it. Nice and light at first. This is so fucking terrifying. Yeah! Might only be double back pegger, but that feels so cool. Ugh. Oh my god. I'm so sorry I'm not talking, guys. I'm scared. Can you film me? It's so scary. Thank you. That was scary. Alright y'all, that's all I'm going to be filming for the day. I appreciate y'all watching. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. We did good today. We learned some combos on the Grom and got that handbrake down on the big bike. So we'll see y'all next time. Peace.
Subscribe to my channel.